I'm Paul, and today we're going to talk about how to disengage an Oxley automated garage door in the case of a power cut. Firstly, there are three things we need to identify. Firstly, this is the boom. This is the torpedo. And this is a trolley. When the torpedo is connected to the trolley, it opens the door via the transmitter or the remote control. In the case of a power cut, to disconnect the torpedo from the trolley, you simply pull the red cord. This allows you to then lift up the door manually and down manually. When the power is back on, simply pull the green cord, which will then connect the torpedo back to the trolley and put it in automated mode again.